how can you choose username for your Signal? So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to choose the username, you just simply have to open the Signal app. And after opening the Signal app, you will get to see your profile picture into top left corner. Just simply tap into that, and after tapping into there, you will get your profile picture again. Just simply tap into that, and after selecting the profile picture, you will get the username option at very last. Just simply select the username option and you can create username for yourself. Just simply set a username that you would like into Signal. I'm selecting just some random alphabets into here for now and tap to save button. And this way your username will be created into Signal. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.